Down sensitivity controls the amount of detail that you'll see in the down imaging view. Down sensitivity is independent of the 2D sonar and side sensitivity you have set for your HELIX, and is one of the most important ways to improve your down image. Select Down Sensitivity from the Down Imaging Express menu using the up and down arrow keys, and adjust down sensitivity on a scale of 1 to 20 using the left and right arrow keys. Increase down sensitivity to see more weak signals, like from baitfish, and decrease down sensitivity to eliminate the clutter that can sometimes be present in turbid or muddy waters. When on the down imaging view, you can also modify down sensitivity using the plus and minus keys, making this critical adjustment even easier and more convenient.